Hello everyone, I am Nagesh Kharade. Friends, I welcome you all in this video lecture. Earlier we have learned nouns, pronouns and verbs, three parts of speech. But today in this video we will be learning two other parts of speech. Those are adjectives and adverbs. या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण adjectives म्हणजे विशेषण and adverbs means क्रिया विशेषण या दोन गोष्टी शिकणार आहोत. So let us begin. Adjectives are the words which describe noun or pronouns. Adjectives tell the more information about a noun or a pronoun. अधिक माहिती सांगतात. विशेषण नावातच आहे, speciality. Yes. So if you want to praise someone and if you want to abuse someone, you need to use adjectives. तुम्हाला जर एखाद्याला शिवे घालायची असेल, टीका करायचं असेल तरी सुद्धा तुम्हाला ॲडजेक्टिव्ज वापरावं लागतं आणि एखाद्याची कौतुक करायचं असेल तरी सुद्धा तुम्हाला ॲडजेक्टिव्हचा वापर करावा लागतो. देर आर सो मेनी पीपल हू यूज ॲडजेक्टिव्ज प्रॉपरली अँड दे लीव अ सॉर्ट ऑफ इम्प्रेशन ऑन द ऑडियन्स. सो लेट अस से विच आर दीज ॲडजेक्टिव्ज. ॲडजेक्टिव्ज कोणकोणते आहेत ते आपण पाहूया. सपोज वी कन्सिडर अ पर्सन and we are supposed to tell the adjectives related to a person. एखाद्या व्यक्तीचं जर आपण उदाहरण घेतला तर एखादी व्यक्ती कसा असू शकतो किंवा कसा असतो हे आपण जर बघितलं तर तुम्ही अनेक उदाहरणं अनेक adjectives सांगू शकता. Yes, you can tell number of adjectives. For example, if you consider his personality, so he is tall, short, fat, thin and attractive, handsome and so on. If you talk about his nature, स्वभाव, for example, very kind, loving, caring, cruel and so on. And there are some adjectives related to his attitude, like his personality, positive things. For example, he is handsome, brilliant, clever, intelligent, magnificent, passionate, loving, caring and so on. So you can talk about number of adjectives. If you want to introduce your friend to somebody, you have to use adjectives. How is your friend? He is very kind. तो खूप दयाळू आहे. He is very helpful. तो उपयोगी आहे. He is useless. तो एकदम निरुपयोगी आहे. He is intelligent. तो खूप बुद्धिमान आहे. So these are all the adjectives which describe a particular person. So adjectives are also the most important and inevitable part of our communication. Yes, विशेषण हे आपल्या संभाषणाचे अविभाज्य घटक आहेत. Let's move forward towards the adverbs. What are adverbs? Adverbs are the words which describe verbs. क्रिया विशेषण म्हणजे क्रियाबद्दल विशेष माहिती सांगणारे शब्द. क्रिया कोणकोणत्या आहेत? Which are the actions? Which are the verbs? If you consider speak as a verb, so the question arises how the person speaks. एखादा व्यक्ती कसा बोलतो. मग याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही अनेक असे उदाहरणं सांगू शकता. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, he speaks loudly. मोठ्याने बोलतो. He speaks slowly. He speaks confidently. सगळ्यांना बोलावं असं वाटतं ते fluently. He speaks fluently. He speaks systematically. He speaks minutely. He speaks proudly. अभिमानानं सांगतो. So all these are the words ending with ly suffix are nothing but adverbs. There are very few words which don't end with ly suffix, but even though they are adverbs. For example, fast. So fast is itself the adverb. There is no need to add ly suffix to it. Fastly. Many members speak or use these words as fastly. It's not fastly, it's only fast. Slowly is okay. Because slow is an adjective, but slowly is adverb. But here, fast is itself adverb. So he drives bike fast. He drives car fast. He eats very fast. So in this way you can talk about number of things. So these are the adjectives and adverbs. Now let us move towards the exact use of these two parts of speech, adjectives and adverbs. How do we use these two things in our day-to-day communication? So earlier we have considered nouns, pronouns and verbs. Today we learn adjectives and adverbs. Now let us see all these five parts of speech in our day-to-day communication. Earlier we have taken an example of introduction. Same way we'll be dealing in this video. Yes. Let us see. Earlier we have mentioned name, first of all relation, then name and then his work. But now we'll be telling about speciality and how he does a particular thing. कशा पद्धतीने एखादी गोष्ट करतो आणि तो व्यक्ती कसा आहे. So let us start. If you want to introduce your father to someone, so earlier we have mentioned, yes, he is my father. He is my father. I told earlier that we should not use they for father because they becomes plural. In Marathi we use respectable words ते, तो नाही, ते वापरतो आपण मराठीमध्ये. But in English, for male of any age, any category should only be used he. So he is my father. Now it is relation. Now next thing is name. His name is Ashok Patil. So we have used his. It is pronoun, reflective pronoun. So his name is Ashok Patil. He is an engineer. So what he does, his occupation, profession. Then comes, again you can give one more example we had considered earlier, that he gives designs. Now we will be adding adjectives in this introduction. He is a kind person. He is a loving person. He is caring person. He is an inspirational person. And so on. You can talk about number of things about your father because none of the words can fit your father in a single word. So you can talk about more and more adjectives. So now what he does and how he does a particular thing, it is adverbs. For example, he thinks systematically. He drives car carefully. Carefully and systematically are the adverbs. So we have used adjectives and adverbs in the introduction. Now you can also talk about your mother. So earlier we had considered, she is my mother. Her name is Siddhamma. She is a housewife. She cooks food. Now you are supposed to add adjectives. She is a beautiful lady. She is a loving mother. She is a supportive lady. You can talk number of things about mother. There is no such adjectives which can describe your mother, right? That is the thing. So how your mother does a particular thing? She feeds us lovingly. She cooks food interestingly. Now you can talk about your friend. He is my friend. His name is Sachin. he is a student, he is a graduate. Now we are going to use adjectives for him. He is very lazy. खूप आळशी आहे. He is so active. He is a handsome person. Okay, so these are the adjectives used for the friend. Or you can talk about him with the more and more adjectives. Now let us see what he does and how he does particular thing. He does study rigorously. He does study systematically. He congratulates everyone heartily. So we have used adverbs and adjectives in the introduction part. So with the help of nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives and adverbs, you can introduce anybody in a systematic way. So you can practice these adjectives. You should have a list of adjectives. On the other hand, you should have a list of adverbs. You should have a list of verbs with its forms like V1, V2, V3, V4, and then you will be able to practice and you will be able to speak English very well. Okay, so I hope you understood this video. I hope you got the things very well. Clearly is also an adverb. So I also hope you liked this video, and I'm sure that you will watch this video very carefully and you will practice all the things told in the video. At the end, I request you to like, share and subscribe WhatsApp English News channel. Thank you friends.